Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Instagram account private. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up Instagram. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and go to the bottom right and tap on your profile. Now, once you're in here, just go to the top right, tap on the 3 horizontal lines. Wait for it. Now, go ahead and scroll down a bit, and you'll be able to see, who can see your content section. So in here, we have the account privacy option. So just go ahead and tap on it. Once done, as you can see here, we have private account. So all you got to do is just enable it. Now there will be a pop-up and it states only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag, or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. No one can reuse your content as well. So do keep that in mind. So just tap on switch to private, wait for it. And then once done, go ahead and tap on cancel. Go back. And after that, as you can see here at the top of your profile name, you have the locked icon. So that means that your account is private. All right. I'm going to log into another account right here. As you can see, it doesn't got the lock icon. That's basically it. That is how you make your Instagram account private. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.